Ooh, that's bad board, isn't it?
Well, the whole thing's kind of shitty.
There's still a lot left.
Well, that one end is not, there's not a lot left in that one end.
Might get a couple more years out of it. Sorry.
I didn't remember if there were bottoms.
No.
There's no bottom?
No bottom to it.
It says there, I think there is. Or is that another board? Oh, that's the other board.
That's the other.
Screws on there too.
Yeah. All right, so looks like I'm going to have to replace some wood. I was hoping I didn't have to, but the wood was just falling apart. So I'll see what I have, and we'll go from there. Well, I have some old boards in the basement that I've had for probably 50 years, 40 years. So let's see if we can get that to work. Okay, they're probably an inch short, but I'm going to make it work. Well, Gloria is my self-reliant old lady friend of 30 or 50 years. Amazing how time goes by so fast. She was on my, when we went to the university, she was living on the floor that I had a dorm room. And she saw one of my pictures from a summer camp job I had, asked about it, and came to work at the camp with me for summer, summers following that initial meeting. And it was there at camp that we became fast friends. She is now more of a sister than a friend. She's one of those types. She grew up on a dairy farm and likes physical labor, and so she now lives in a metropolitan city, and so many weekends in the summer and spring and fall she's out here in farmland where she can do physical activity and feel like she's back on the dairy farm. So at any rate, I'm grateful to have her here to help. I have another friend that you'll see throughout the video walking back and forth picking up sticks. She didn't want to be on camera. I should note that in the last video, you heard Glory say that she did not want to be on camera. However, she later gave me permission, so you'll be seeing her. You'll be seeing a lot of her. So let's get these planters fixed. Yeah.
That might be gone too. You know that.
Oh, there's no bottom to it.
Oh, I thought you said there was.
No, the bottom was that bottom two boards. But there's no bottom to it.
Oh, so it's just plastic.
Well, yeah, not necessarily plastic.
I got you.
Once the water goes through, it's a fabric.
I got you.
know.
Well, if you do those. All right, here. Let me hold this one.
Here.
Here, switch places. I'll hold a while. Only because,
Yeah, it's hard.
well,
Oh, listen to that thunder.
my face is in the camera. Sorry. You're going to have to edit.
Trust me, I do a lot of mistakes. Thank God we don't
Here, trade places.
have to build a house.
Trade places.
Oh.
Here, I think I'm going to do this.
Come on! Oh, how about that?
Perfecto. Wait, so? No. Well, I move this anyway. Okay, over here.
Yeah, I'll put it back in. Okay. Oh, it's a little tacky, that's all. No, it's very cool. That's all we want. Okay, it's patched with leftover wood down in the basement. You know, the old wood straight as a, very straight, but the new wood, that 2x4, was twisted. I think that'll last a little bit longer. All we'll do is finish putting the dirt back in, and hopefully we can get this done before the rain starts. Didn't I bring 2 shovels, Corey?
I had mine.
Corey, are you good here? I'm going to go,
I was going to get it light enough that I could maybe dump the wheelbarrow.
it's a big wheelbarrow and heavy. I'm going to go hang a birdhouse I made.
What?
A birdhouse. As you can see, what was going to be a simple job, 3 trips to the garage, usually 2 trips to Lowe's. However, I was able to get away with not having to go to Lowe's, so it's a good day. Okay, we're on our way to Rural King. I think it's time to plant some peas. Let's see what they have here.
So you will. Someone will yell at you.
Well, that's all right.
Not following the directions.
And then I'm going to put radishes in the middle. Last thing I wanted to accomplish today was get the birdhouse up. This way. All right, well, I guess we missed that. I guess it blew over the camera. But the birdhouse is up, and that's the last thing I wanted to do today. So, till next time, have a good day. Again, like and subscribe. It goes a long way in making my channel grow.